So good evening to all. Myself Selva Sundar from Ramco Institute of Technology. It's my immense pleasure to welcome you all for this 3 days webinar on artificial intelligence for beginners. This webinar is organized by Automation and Robotics Club of RIT in association with RIT Mechanism, RIT IST Student Chapter and RIT IE. The coordinators for this webinar are Mr. S. Valiganesh, Mr. K. Amudan, Mr. T. Selva Sundar and Mr. K. Vigneshwaran. Now I request Dr. S. Rajakarnagaran, Vice Principal of Ramco Institute of Technology, to give the inaugural address for this webinar.
Is it audible, Selva Sundar?
Yes, sir. Audible, sir.
Okay. Good evening to all participants. On behalf of Ramco Institute of Technology, I warmly welcome all the participants and resource persons, coordinators for this 3-day webinar on artificial intelligence for beginners. So on this occasion, I want to just to share a brief information about our institute first. So followed by I want to share the information related to artificial intelligence. So why is it required for this day? So that things I want to share based on the literature review content. So first I want to share the information about our institute. Ramco is known for its quality products and services across the nation and the world. Ramco Institute of Technology has been established as a corporate social contribution to offer value-based quality technical education to the young talented boys and girls of the present generation at an affordable cost. Ramco Institute of Technology is fully supported by the Ramco Group to create quality engineers for future needs. RIT is driven by the motto Vidya Vindade Viryan, which means knowledge empowers. The management of Ramco Institute of Technology constantly motivates all the faculty members to undertake online courses, have industry interactions, and participate in faculty development programs to strengthen their fundamentals and gain extensive experience, which results in effective teaching learning process. Our management encourages the faculty members and students to involve in research and development activities to keep in pace with the trends and needs of the industry and society. And our management facilitates the students to take up value-added courses, international certification programs, and industrial training and skill development programs apart from their regular curriculum, so that they are competitive and successful in their professional careers. Next, I want to share some information about artificial intelligence, why it is important. So actually this information I collected based on the literature reference only. So here many everyday influences of artificial intelligence are altering the way our daily lives look. If someone from the 1950s traveled through time and arrived in 2020, they would marvel at the way we use our smartphones to navigate around town. How virtual digital assistants such as Alaska and Cortana respond to our queries and would be baffled by our addiction to social media channels such as Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. What is now normal to us and powered by artificial intelligence would be utterly foreign to our friend from the past. There is no doubt that artificial intelligence is an integral part of our daily lives. As business leaders and innovators race to reach the promise of artificial intelligence to deliver a competitive advantage as well as cost and time savings. The technology is altering industries from finance to manufacturing with new products, processes, and capabilities. Companies such as 150-year-old Henkin are using artificial intelligence, the vast amount of data they collect, and the Internet of Things to drive marketing decisions and initiatives, improve operations and customer service. From managing global supply chains to optimizing delivery routes,
Artificial intelligence is helping companies of all sizes and in all industries improve productivity and the bottom line at every stage of the business life cycle, from sourcing material to sales and accounting to customer service. It is allowing companies to design, produce, and deliver products and service better than ever before. Artificial intelligence is not just improving our lives. In some cases, it will save lives. There are many companies, including tech companies, that are investing in and researching ways that artificial intelligence can help improve our healthcare systems. From figuring out personalized drug protocols to better diagnostic tools and even robots to assist in surgeries. Artificial intelligence is altering our healthcare system from its processes to the care that these organizations provide. Artificial intelligence has been deployed to enhance our lives as well. Experiments with artificial intelligence to compose original compositions from books to music, develop recipes based on what is currently in the cupboard, and even to create a work of art are extending the influence of artificial intelligence on our lives. Today, the amount of data that is generated by both humans and machines far outpaces humans' ability to observe, interpret, and make complex decisions based on that data. Artificial intelligence forms the basis for all computer learning and is the future of all complex decision making. Artificial intelligence will have a fundamental impact on the global labor market in the next few years. Actually, in artificial intelligence, two types of careers are available. One is academic career. To have an academic career in artificial intelligence, people usually go for research or PhDs, as it fetches them a great motivation to learn and a stage to prove their ability in research and development departments. Next one is the professional careers. To have a vertically different industry career is the most of the people are interested into, as it fetches them with a social and a trending use case which are used by the enterprises for their own improvements. Here in these careers, some of the verticals are domains which are targeting artificial intelligence are, first one is medicine domain, including interpretation of medical images, diagnosis, expert systems to aid GPs, monitoring and control in intensive care units, the design of prosthetics, a design of drugs. Next domain is robotics, including vision, motor control, learning, planning, linguistic communications, cooperative behaviors. In engineering domain, which includes fault diagnosis, intelligent control systems, intelligent manufacturing systems, intelligent design aids, integrated systems for sales, design, production, maintenance, expert configuration tools. In information management domain, this includes the use of artificial intelligence in data mining, web crawling, email filtering, etc. In space domain, control of space vehicles and autonomous robots too far from Earth to be directly manipulated by humans on Earth because of transmission delays. NASA uses this artificial intelligence to help plan and schedule space shuttle maintenance. In military activities, this may be the area in which most funds have been spent in our country. It is also not easy to learn about the details. In marketing domain, artificial intelligence is being used to develop more targeted, relevant, and timely marketing programs to increase customer retention rates. So with this basic information related to artificial intelligence and its importance. So I wish you all the participants to attend this program with full dedication. You can clear your doubts and any clarifications with the resource persons. So they are all friendly in nature. So you can post your clarification in the chat box during your sessions. So definitely they will address all your queries. You learn complete overview about artificial intelligence from this 3-day webinar. So I wish you all the best. I sincerely thank the coordinators, Mr. Wale Ganesh, and Selva Sundar for giving this opportunity to interact with all the participants in this occasion. I wish you all the best. Thank you.